All right, so today we're going to go ahead and take off the stock SIG MPX handguard and replace it with this Lancer carbon fiber handguard here. It's got M-lock rails on 6 different sides, magazine out and empty, chamber's clear. We're going to go ahead and it's really simple. Flip it over, take a little punch out the front retaining pin, and all you're going to do is one swift motion. You're going to slide it out. Now what locks it in is that groove right there. My thumb is pointing. That groove gets captured by this retaining pin, and that's what keeps it locked in there, and it holds up pretty well. I'm actually surprised there's not more to it. I'm surprised there's not more of a locking mechanism, but it holds up really well. As you can see on the Lancer, comes with the same thing. I can only assume, based on size and profile, that if this one did not come with one, or if you lost it, you could totally replace it with this one. It just takes a little Allen key, unscrew it. For the install, it's just the opposite. You take it, slide it over. There are grooves right here on both sides, and they'll line up with these grooves right here. So we're going to take that, slide it over, line up the grooves, slide it in, make sure it's in all the way, and click that in, and that's not coming apart.